Imagine waking up on a Monday morning, craving a crispy, savory chicken wing, and having the perfect companion in the kitchen to indulge that craving without the guilt of extra calories and cooking time. Today, we'll dive into a game-changing kitchen appliance that's about to revolutionize the way you cook. It's called the Versatile Air Fryer and Smart Baking Oven. This product is the perfect reflection of a long-standing desire by home cooks to create a healthier and more efficient cooking experience with just one versatile appliance. Many of us have spent years juggling different cooking methods, constantly switching between pots, pans, and ovens just to satisfy our cravings and cooking needs. With this smart oven, you can bid farewell to multiple appliances cluttering up your kitchen counter and hello to endless possibilities in the world of home cooking. As I unwrapped the Versatile Air Fryer and Smart Baking Oven from its packaging, its sleek design and impressive build quality immediately caught my attention. This appliance measures 14.5 by 12.1 by 10.6 inches, making a perfect fit in most modern kitchens. The exterior boasts a stainless steel build with a high-gloss finish that exudes premium quality, while the compact footprint means it won't overwhelm the countertops. Now, let's talk usability. The user interface is simple and intuitive, comprising a large touchscreen display that allows you to easily navigate through various cooking modes, including air fry, bake, grill, and more. The control panel is designed with a clear button layout and clear labels, making it effortless to adjust temperature, timer, and even preheat the oven with the simple press of a few buttons. The air fryer and baking oven feature 8 preset modes, including cake, roast, slow cook, grill, and reheat, all designed to help streamline your cooking experience. With its advanced algorithms and smart cooking technology, this product ensures that your dishes are cooked consistently and evenly, saving you precious time in the kitchen. You can also create your own custom recipes using manual controls, making this appliance a true kitchen companion. One of the standout features is its large 8-liter capacity, which allows for cooking up to 5 pounds of food at a time. This is particularly useful for families and those who like to entertain, as it means you can cook for more people and reduce meal prep time. This generous capacity, coupled with even heating technology, results in perfectly cooked meals every time, without hot spots or undercooked areas. The air fryer element produces up to 3 times healthier cooking results compared to traditional deep frying, making it perfect for home cooks who want to indulge in their favorite fried foods without the guilt. With its unique rapid air circulation technology, you can expect mouth-watering results that mimic the taste of deep-fried food, but with a fraction of the calories. When it comes to practical applications, let's imagine making a delicious roasted vegetable platter for a family dinner or a crispy, perfectly baked chicken for a Sunday lunch. To achieve such results, the Versatile Air Fryer and Smart Baking Oven offers an impressive range of temperature controls, spanning from 150 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to tailor the cooking experience to suit any dish you're attempting. Now, as I put this product to the test in my own kitchen, I was delighted to discover that it handled even the most complex recipes with ease, consistently delivering perfectly cooked results. This versatility and adaptability make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned cooks, as it allows you to explore new recipes and cooking methods without feeling overwhelmed. After thoroughly testing the Versatile Air Fryer and Smart Baking Oven, I've identified some standout strengths and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. On the plus side, this appliance offers incredible value for the price, with numerous features, modes, and settings that cater to a wide range of cooking needs. Its large capacity makes it ideal for family meals, and its air fryer function is perfect for those who want to cook healthier meals. The touchscreen interface and smart technology simplify the cooking process, making it user-friendly for even the most novice cooks. However, some users may find the product's bulkier build and larger size to be a drawback, especially for those with limited kitchen space. Additionally, while the preset modes and custom recipe creation are intuitive, the user interface does require some getting used to. In comparison to other similar products on the market, the Versatile Air Fryer and Smart Baking Oven stands out with its exceptional air fryer performance, versatility, and ease of use. The Philips Air Fryer and Cuisinart CISO 300-in-1 Smart Convection Oven are notable competitors, but this product combination of air fryer capability, large capacity, and smart technology set it apart from the competition. In conclusion, the versatile air fryer and smart baking oven has won me over with its impressive features, intuitive interface, and unparalleled performance. For anyone looking to upgrade their cooking game, streamline their meal prep process, and unlock a world of new possibilities, I confidently recommend this product. As you consider this game-changing kitchen appliance, remember that investing in the versatile air fryer and smart baking oven is not just about buying a product. It's about joining a new world of home cooking possibilities that awaits you. Get ready to experience the thrill of healthier cooking and explore an endless world of flavors, all at the touch of your fingertips.